Hey guys, what's up? This is brand new video on Euro-USD. It is an update. If you check my last video, there was an imbalance of supply on month chart, and market was just testing that area. So now it dropped. I mean, almost it dropped 1,000 pips almost. And if you check my Instagram, I just shared that technical analysis on Instagram. So market was just spending its time here, and most likely it is going to move up. Hopefully in the future, in coming days, market will move up. What we have now on daily chart, right now we have a descending trend line. What do we connect it on two recent peaks, two fresh peaks? Market is going to test that area. Maybe CP level there, maybe market test that level and it drops. But it depends. It depends. If this area is taken out by the market like that, then we consider this level as a fresh level of demand. But it takes time. Now let's see what happens, because if you see weekly chart, we have weekly and 3-month demand combo. Here we have an imbalance on the week chart, but if you see the same thing on 3-month, we have nice basing level, which is actually an impacted level from our main level, the first level, that is created by an impact from this level. So this is our main level. The first level in supply and demand, the first level we consider as a main level. If strong price action is there, then we consider that and level is fresh, and after tested first time, market creates new fresh level, and we say that an impacted level or multiple level, but that is actually a weak level. We consider that a weak level. Any level which formed by the market with test to the previous supply and demand level, we consider that a weak level actually. So we use confirmation rules there. I mean, how do we apply confirmation rules? Simply, if we define confirmation rules, we apply confirmation rules on weak levels. We do not apply confirmation rules on strong levels. So this is weak level actually. Why? Because this is not our main level. This is just a multiple level of demand. But if that level gets eliminated by the market in the future, then here we can say that market can move up to here, and then we'll decide if we go up or not. Well, we'll see some new fresh levels or price action of those levels if market do so. But if there is no fresh level, I mean market never breaks this area, then it is kind of range or balance in the market in this pair now. And we just, because this is our month chart and a 3-month chart, are high time frames, but we can say that here we still have some space. I mean, market can fill that space. Either market move up, either market moves down. But for both sides, we can have some pips easily. We can have either it moves up, either it moves down. But we follow the market. Market never followed us. We just follow the market, and we decide after that if we take bullish trades or bearish trades there. But right now we can expect from the market that market can give some respect to that area and it can move up. But if we calculate the height of the departure, we can say that this is our height. This is our height. Market can easily move up to here. But there are some strong walls, some resistance levels there. Market need to break them first, and then if market do so like that, we'll follow the market. We'll take some trades there. But right now, weekly 3-month combo we have, and here we can say that market can easily move up to here, this area. When we have so many pips there, I mean, there is a huge room to be filled. But just never underestimate the market. Just follow the rules. Simply just work. Simply make it simple and clean. Obvious things is just choose the strong price actions. Right now, for the short term, we can expect from the market can move up to here. CP there. Maybe we see some drops after testing this area again. But if it breaks, then we know that we have our outer trend right here. Then market will fill that whole room. If that gets broken by the market with strong price actions, I mean, it's strong move, then we can say that market will see something like that. If market retrace back, we just take I mean, we can have some set and forget entries there. Then market will move up to here. We can have some great trades. How many pips? Almost 700 to 800 pips. So we can calculate our pips like that. If you see my last chart, which I shared on Instagram, here you can see that currently weekly, monthly demand going to be eliminated by the market. Market is giving respect to that. And here I mentioned, if second trend line gets broken, then be ready for the price to align with trend line 1 on EU. What is the trend line 1 here? This one. So if market breaks that area, then we can say that market will fill that whole room. Then we expect from the market, we'll decide if market drops or not. We'll decide later. We can use confirmation rules for both sides. Why? Because market already tested. I mean, for both sides, market already tested 2 times. So for both sides, if you see month chart here, there is a level as well, but I don't like that level. Why? Because that is weekly level. I mean, there are some weekly candles out there. If market tries to drop, it will fill this whole area. It will fill this whole room because we have some demand levels. I mean, some demand imbalance on lower time frame at the same area, in the same area of the weeks on month chart. Maybe it tests again our main level, which is back in the history, or main level number 1. Then it moves up again. But what is the best definition? I mean, how we can take advantage from using this strategy? We can use confirmation rules. If you have doubt, if there is no certain clue you see currently in the chart, things are not looking clear, then what we do? Of course, we use confirmation rules. So it helps us. What's supposed to do now? Here we have our main level. Here there is an impacted level. So for both sides, here that is our main level. Here that is our main level. Both are our main level. Back in the history, there is a level, but it is better to find this level as a strong level. Consider that as a strong level, but this is our impacted level, like that. So right now, or otherwise you can say that 3-month weekly combo, time frame combo, we use them both together for taking our trades. If market breaks this area, then for the market, the next step is this one. So we can have some 700, most likely 700 pips easily. But after that, we decide. It depends. on time, on the price action, on the next levels, next fresh levels. If market tries to break that level or not, we decide. Normally we use again confirmation, right? Because it takes time. I mean, market can make some tests. Market can test that again and it can drop again. I mean, almost 2 or 3 times market can test, but 4 times market can break that. Here as well, market can break. Or market can drop, I mean, the below area, this one area, this one. But it depends on the market. If market do so, then we'll decide. We see the price action and the new fresh levels made by the market. But right now, we have uptrend on Instagram and Facebook. I was sharing that area from the long time. I mean, even market was here. So that is good area for bullish trades. But here, market can take time. Market can move like that, then it can move up. But minimum, you can have some profit margin with first test, second test, but depends. After that, market moves up or not, but it depends. But this is our good area to trade bullish entries. So that's it. Hope it helps a lot to analyze Euro USD and to take some good trades there. So happy weekend and happy new year. Thanks a lot.